the WorkPro 3-piece snow survival kit. If you're like me, who lives in the northern part of US, you have one of these in your vehicles. I've got a couple of vehicles. One of the ones I currently have is just kaput. After 12 years inside your car, inside a couple of different cars, and getting used, it's not worth very much of anything else. This one was sent to me by WorkPro, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to give you my honest opinion of it, and you're going to see me use it. But first up, I'm going to tell you what's in it. The model number is W004746A. This is Haku EDC. Welcome. Open up the box. It comes with a user's manual that tells you how to put things together, which is nice to have, especially if it's something that they all get put together slightly differently. It comes with two bags. This one long bag, I assume this is where the shovel would go in. And then this other bag is where the other items would go in. I'm not sure why you need two bags. Most people just put it in the back of their vehicle and then store it without bags on it. And I'm going to do the same thing, to be honest with you. And then, as I stated, it's got a shovel here. This shovel is approximately 10 inches long. I don't know if you can see that there. The shovel's about 10 inches long. I like the red and blue, make it easier to find, especially if it falls inside the snow. Then this is your scrapers used for scraping off ice from your windows, or maybe even on the side of your car. That's two of them. I'm going to read the manual a little bit to figure out why there's two of them there. And it has a snow scraper. Now, this is what people would use to take the snow off the side of their car with. Typically, up until I want to say maybe 5-8 years ago, these were always stiff Russells. And I think that they figured out, which a lot of people have, is that they're a little bit soft. You can get better snow off of your car quicker, better, and just a lot easier to do. And these are the piping for putting together your snow shovel. And I will do that. I'm just going to fill this handle. Feels okay. I wish this was, for my hand at least, I wish that this handle was just a little bit bigger round-wise. I think that would make it easier to shovel with, but we will see when there's a snow if that's true or not. It comes with your WorkPro here, and your WorkPro on your other item here. Sorry for all the noise. This is metal. I think it is some sort of sheet metal, but I'm not sure what kind it is. I'm going to see if it says what it is. They don't say what sort of metal it is, but I'm going to try to put these together. I'll show you what they look like when they're together. So now you have a shovel, and the shovel's length, I'm going to measure that. Where's my little measuring thing? From top to bottom. That is approximately 46 inches, or about 117 centimeters long. So what I will do is I'll back up so that you can see what this one looks like. And that's what this one looks like right here. Almost like a canoe paddle, short canoe paddle. But that's what this one is here, and this is how they compare the lengths. So if that's something that you want to compare with. So now what we're going to do is wait for a little bit of snow, and I'll show you what they look like when it's snowing out.